Dear viewer, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. My name is Anwar Hussain Anwar Kamil, MA, Islamic Arabic University, Dhaka, Bangladesh. I want to go for Umrah Hajj. This is my hope. Are there any servant of Allah on earth? Could you please help me cost of Umrah Hajj? Because I am very poor man, my financial situation not good, so my biggest number 01787 323447 01787 323447. This is my Bikash account number. Please help brother and sister. Assalamu alaikum.